Best 10 New Exiting Adventure Touring Motorcycle 2024. 2024 BMW R1300 GS Option 719 Tramuntana. This special edition model is named after the Tramuntana mountain range in Mallorca, Spain, which is a popular destination for adventure touring riders. The Option 719 Tramuntana package includes a number of premium features, such as a titanium exhaust system, heated grips and seats, and a GPS mount. 2024 BMW R1300 GS Option 719 Tramuntana. MSRP price $21,949, engine boxer twin, displacement 1,254 cubic centimeters, horsepower 140 brake horsepower, torque 106 Newton meters, seat height 850 millimeters, weight 228 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 19 liters. / 2024 CRF 1100L Africa Twin ES. The Africa Twin is one of the most popular adventure touring motorcycles on the market, and for good reason. It's known for its excellent off-road performance and its comfortable ride. The ES model comes with electronic suspension adjustment, which makes it easy to tune the bike for different types of terrain. 2024 CRF 1100L Africa Twin ES. MSRP price $14,399, engine parallel twin, displacement 1,084 cubic centimeters, horsepower 101 brake horsepower, torque 75 Newton meters, seat height 870 millimeters, weight 226 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 18.8 liters. / 2024 BMW R1300 GS Trophy. The R1300 GS Trophy is the most off-road focused model in the GS lineup. It comes with a number of features that make it ideal for serious off-road riding, such as a long travel suspension, skid plates, and a bash bar. 2024 BMW R1300 GS Trophy. MSRP price $22,949, engine boxer twin, displacement 1,254 cubic centimeters, horsepower 140 brake horsepower, torque 106 Newton meters, seat height 850 millimeters, weight 228 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 19 liters. / 2024 Moto Guzzi V85 TT Travel. The V85 TT Travel is a unique and stylish adventure touring motorcycle. It's powered by a characterful V-twin engine and comes with a number of touring features, such as a large windscreen, panniers, and a top box. 2024 Moto Guzzi V85 TT Travel. MSRP price $14,999. Engine transverse V-twin, displacement 853 cubic centimeters, horsepower 80 brake horsepower, torque 80 Newton meters, seat height 830 millimeters, weight 229 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 23 liters. / 2024 BMW R1300 GS Triple Black. The R1300 GS Triple Black is a special edition model that comes with a blacked-out finish. It also comes with a number of premium features, such as an electronic suspension adjustment and a heated seat. 2024 BMW R1300 GS Triple Black. MSRP price $20,949, engine boxer twin, displacement 1,254 cubic centimeters, horsepower 140 brake horsepower, torque 106 Newton meters, seat height 850 millimeters, weight 228 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 19 liters. / 2024 Ducati Desert-X Rally. The Desert-X Rally is a new addition to the Ducati lineup for 2024. It's a high-performance adventure touring motorcycle that's designed for serious off-road riding. It comes with a number of features that make it ideal for off-road riding, such as a long travel suspension, skid plates, and a bash bar. 2024 Ducati Desert-X Rally, MSRP price $23,999. Engine L-twin, displacement 937 cubic centimeters, horsepower 110 brake horsepower, torque 92 Newton meters, seat height 875 millimeters, weight 223 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 21 liters. (2024) BMW F900 GS Adventure. The F900 GS Adventure is a mid-size adventure touring motorcycle that's perfect for riders who are looking for a more manageable bike. It's still capable of handling off-road terrain, but it's also more comfortable and easier to ride on paved roads. 2024 BMW F900 GS Adventure. MSRP price $16,949, engine parallel twin. Displacement 899 cubic centimeters, horsepower 105 brake horsepower, torque 92 Newton meters, seat height 825 millimeters, weight 229 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 15.5 liters. (2024) BMW F800 GS Adventure. The F800 GS Adventure is a popular mid-size adventure touring motorcycle. It's known for its excellent balance of on-road and off-road performance. 2024 BMW F800 GS Adventure. MSRP price $15,949, engine parallel twin, displacement 798 cubic centimeters, horsepower 90 brake horsepower, torque 85 Newton meters. Seat height 820 millimeters, weight 229 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 24 liters. (2024) Kawasaki KRL 650 Adventure. The KRL 650 Adventure is a budget-friendly adventure touring motorcycle that's perfect for riders who are new to the genre. It's not as capable as some of the other bikes on this list, but it's still a great value for the money. 2024 Kawasaki KRL 650 Adventure, MSRP price $9,999. Engine parallel twin, displacement 649 cubic centimeters, horsepower 68 brake horsepower, torque 50 Newton meters, seat height 820 millimeters, weight 213 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 18 liters. (2024) BMW F750GS Adventure. The F750GS is the smallest adventure touring motorcycle in BMW's lineup. It's a great option for riders who are looking for a more manageable bike or who are new to the genre. 2024 BMW F750GS Adventure. MSRP price $14,949, engine parallel twin. Displacement 853 cubic centimeters, horsepower 77 brake horsepower, torque 83 Newton meters, seat height 815 millimeters, weight 229 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 15 liters.